Hi guys, today we will revise the money topic. A thing which is commonly accepted as a medium of exchange is called money. For example, a rupee in India is money as it is a commonly accepted medium of exchange here. A dollar in a USA is money as it is a commonly accepted medium of exchange there. In olden days, goods were exchanged for goods. There was no money. Uh, A cobbler would make shoes in return for wheat from the farmer. A farm workers would get grains as a reward for his labor, and so on. That time the system of exchange was known as barter exchange system. But with the multiplicity of wants, barter system proved to be an inefficient system of exchange. It is then that we invented money, a common medium of exchange. Money is what money does. Money is what money does. It is defined as an instrument that serves as a medium of exchange, a store of value, a measure of value, and a standard for deferred payment. Now, after the definition of the money, we will discuss the functions of money. Uh, Basically, if we will try to discuss the functions of money, that is depend on the definition of the money. Like money acts as a medium of exchange, money serves as a store of value, money as a measure of value, money serves as a standard for deferred payment like future payments, etc. But when we will try to go with the functions and then we try to categorize it broadly, then we have two heads. The first one head is the primary functions of money, and then next one head is the secondary functions of the money. If we will go with the primary functions of the money, then these functions we can speak that is a main or basic functions, and under it two functions will become. These are medium of exchange and common measure of value or unit of value. Then medium of exchange, first we will try to discuss the medium of exchange. Money as a medium of exchange means that it can be used to make payments for all transactions of goods and services. It is the most essential function of money. Money has the quality of general acceptability. So we can speak money play a role like for medium of exchange. This function has removed the major difficulty of lack of double coincidence of wants and inconveniences associated with the barter system. Use of money allows to us to purchase and sell independently of one another. Money plays a role like medium of exchange and facilitates trade and helps in conducting various transactions in an economy. Money has no power to satisfy human wants, but money commands power to purchase those things which have utility to satisfy human wants. Then after that we have the next function, that is a measure of value, or we can speak the second function of the money, that is the part of the primary function, that is a common measure of value or unit of value. Money as a measure of value means that money works as a common denomination in which values of all goods and services are expressed. By reducing the value of goods and services to a single unit, it becomes very easy to find out the exchange ratios between them and comparing their prices. This function facilitates maintenance of business accounts which would be otherwise impossible. Money helps in calculating prices of goods and services. Due to this reason, it is regarded as a unit of account. For instance, rupee is the unit of account in India, pound in England, and so on. Then after that we will go with the next function of the money or next part of the functions of the money. These are calling the secondary functions. Under it we have the majorly three secondary functions. The first one is a standard of deferred payment, the next one is a store of value, and then last one is transfer of value. Then when we will try to talk about the standard of deferred payment, then money as a standard of deferred payments means that money acts as a standard for payments which are to be made in future. Every day, millions of transactions take place in which payments are not made immediately. Money encourages such transactions and helps in capital formation and economic development of the economy. This function of money is very important because money as a standard of deferred payment has simplified the borrowing and lending operations. It has led to the creation of financial institutions. The next one is store of value. Then we can speak that is the asset function of money. Money as a store of value means that money can be used to transfer purchasing power from present to future. Money is a way to store wealth. Although wealth can be stored in other forms also, but money is most economical and convenient way. Money provides security to individuals to meet contingencies, unpredictable emergencies, and even to pay the future debts. Under barter system, it was very difficult to use goods as a store of wealth due to perishable nature of some goods and high cost of storage. Money as a store of value has the various advantages. Money is available in fractional denomination like ranging from rupees 1 to rupees 1000. Money is easily portable because it is easy and economical to store money as its storage doesn't require much space. Money has the merit of general acceptability, so we can easily exchanged for goods at all times. Saving in terms of money are much more secured than in terms of goods. Now we will speak about the transfer of value. If suppose we try to transfer the value from value of the goods or commodity from one place to another, then we can utilize the money as the measurement tool for transferring the goods and a commodity. Or we can speak like the future payments, if we try to do and today we try to purchase the product, then we will decide the prices of the future product, and in future we try to transfer the value of the product in form of the money, then it is usable as a transfer of value also. Okay, then after it you have the contingent functions. These are for the basis of credit, liquidity, basis of price mechanism, maximum profit to the producers, maximum satisfaction to the consumers, basis of distribution of income, etc. Then basis of credit, if you will do the transaction with the other person on the basis of credit, then in future the payment should be done in the form of the money. Liquidity, if you have any of the metals and you try to convert it into the cash, then it will be very easy tool. You will calculate the value of metal in terms of the cash and you will get the liquidity percentage in your accounts. Now the basis of price mechanism, all the prices in a market, even its market price, even its selling price, even its cost price, it will be categorized in terms of the money only. Then maximum profit to the producers, if you understand the meaning of the money or the value of the exchange in form of the money, then whatsoever the profit has to become, their percentage is a more, and even producer will be evaluate it, yes, I have the portion of the maximum profit in form of the money. Then maximum satisfaction to the consumers are aware what type of payment they will do for purchasing the product, and then payment in form of the money, then consumers will be get the maximum satisfaction according to the payment of the product. Then basis of distribution of income in a market, so many peoples are engaged and then they are trying to do the work for the others, then the owner will be try to distribute the portion of their profit or portion of their income in form of the money, then it will be called the basis of distribution of income also. Then after the contingent function, for you the question bank will be there. This question bank will be defined to you. The first question is related to the define money. Then second question is explain various functions of money. Then third is a create a flow chart for various functions of money. Then fourth is how money is useful in medium of exchange. And then last is how money is utilized as standard of deferred payment. I hope you all get the revision nicely, and even the previously the chapters you get very well. You do this question bank again in your classwork copy. Have a good day.